Modern Age MCQs, Physics Class First Year, Unit Number 2, Vectors and Equilibrium, Part 1. For which angle between A and B the dot product is equal to the magnitude of cross product. Option A 30 degree, option B 45 degree, option C 60 degree, option D 90 degree. The key is 45 degree. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason. As the magnitude of A dot B is equal to AB cos theta and magnitude of A cross B is equal to AB sin theta, therefore AB cos theta is equal to AB sin theta. AB is cancelled on both sides. Therefore, cos theta is equal to sin theta, or sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to 1, or tan theta is equal to 1, because the ratio of sin theta to cos theta is tangent theta, or theta is equal to tangent inverse 1, or theta is equal to 45 degree. Hence, the angle between vector A and B is 45 degree. In a plane, the rectangular components of a force are two. In space, the rectangular components of the same force will be option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The key is 3. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason. A plane has two dimensions while space has three. The rectangular coordinates are mutually perpendicular lines called x-axis, y-axis in the two dimensions, and x-axis, y-axis, z-axis in the three dimensions. A vector has three components along these axes. Therefore, the rectangular components of a vector in space are three. Hence, rectangular components of force in space are three. A person walks first 3 km north and then 4 km east. What is his displacement? Option A 5 km, B 9 km, C 16 km, D 25 km. The key is 5 km. Therefore, the correct option is A. Reason. The north and east are at 90 degree, therefore we can write AX is equal to 4 kilometer and AY is equal to 3 kilometer. The displacement of person is R is equal to AX square plus AY square root is equal to 4 square plus 3 square root is equal to 16 plus 9 square root, which is equal to 25 square root, which is equal to 5 kilometer. Hence, the displacement is 5 kilometer. Two forces of 12 Newton and 6 Newton are applied simultaneously to a body. The maximum magnitude of their resultant is option A 15 Newton, option B 19 Newton, option C 20 Newton, option D 22 Newton. The key is 15 Newton. The option A is correct. Reason. The addition gives 12 Newton plus 6 Newton is equal to 18 Newton, and subtraction gives 12 Newton minus 6 Newton is equal to 6 Newton. No option of such values is given. Therefore, the forces are added by head to tail rule. The head to tail rule of vectors forms a triangle. The resultant force is the third side of that triangle. According to geometry, the third side of a triangle is always less than the sum of the two sides of the same triangle. Hence, the maximum magnitude of resultant of 12 Newton and 16 Newton is 15. Two forces of 20 Newton and 10 Newton acts at a point. Which of the following cannot be their sum? Option A 10 Newton, B 25 Newton, C 30 Newton, D 40 Newton. The key is 40 Newton. Therefore, the correct option is D. Reason. The addition of forces gives 20 Newton plus 10 Newton is equal to 30 Newton, and subtraction gives 20 Newton minus 10 Newton is equal to 10 Newton. By head to tail rule, vectors forms a triangle and resultant is the third side of the triangle. It is always less than the sum of two sides of the same triangle, which is 25 Newton. Hence, the option D, 40 Newton, cannot be the sum of 20 Newton and 10 Newton. The minimum numbers of forces that keep the body in equilibrium are option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The key is 2. Therefore, correct option is A. Reason. The sum of two equal and opposite forces is 0. The body is in equilibrium if the net force is acting on the body is 0. Hence, the minimum number of the forces that keep the body in equilibrium are 2. The minimum numbers of unequal forces that keep the body in equilibrium are option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The key is 3. The option B is correct. Reason. The sum of two unequal forces is not 0. The sum is a resultant force. Therefore, a third force of magnitude equal to the magnitude of resultant in its opposite direction is necessary to balance it. Hence, the minimum numbers of unequal forces are 3 for a body in equilibrium. If vector A is of magnitude 3 meter, then A square is equal to option A 3 square meter, B 9 square meter, C 16 square meter, D 25 square meter. The key is 9 square meter. Therefore, the correct option is B. Reason. The scalar product of two vector is A dot B equal to AB cos theta. If vector B is equal to vector A, then the angle theta is equal to 0 degree. Therefore, A square is equal to A dot A is equal to A into A cos 0, which is equal to 3 meter into 3 meter into 1, because cos 0 is equal to 1. So this is equal to 9 square meter. Hence, A square is equal to 9 square meter. The dot product of two anti-parallel vectors A and B is option A 0, B AB, C minus AB, D 0 vector or null vector. The key is minus AB. Therefore, the correct option is C. Reason. The dot product of two vectors is A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. If B vector is anti-parallel to A, then the angle between them is theta is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, the dot product of two anti-parallel vectors A and B is A dot B is equal to AB cos 180, which is equal to AB into minus 1, because cos 180 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, A dot B is equal to minus AB. Hence, the dot product of two anti-parallel vectors A and B is minus AB.